Guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte motherboard driver. So first you have to see this is gigabyte.com, and then you can see this is search button. Then you enter your model number, then hit enter. Then click to product. Then click on motherboard title. Click on support. Then select your operating system Windows 10 11. Both installations, guys, driver installations same. You just select which is you using. LAN driver, Realtek LAN, just download. And then open. Double click to exe. Then yes. Now this is installing the LAN driver. Then it is automatically closed, means this is installed.